Hi, this is Brant Spessart with Steward Wealth Strategies. Thank you for taking a few minutes and investing some time with us today as we just give you a quick tax update. Now, I know taxes aren't one of our most favorite topics to talk about, but we here at Steward Wealth Strategies do enjoy talking about taxes because we think they're so important for investors to keep in mind when it comes to their overall financial plan. Most of us don't want to pay any more taxes than we need to. I appreciate the fact that I have to pay taxes, but I want to stay well informed. But before we get started, if you could take a moment, click on the link in the email that included this webinar, and please complete our brief client review and risk assessment. It won't take but a minute, but we want to just make sure that one, we've got correct, up-to-date information from you. Do we have good contact information? And then also, have there been any significant changes in your financial life? Anything happened recently that may impact your finances? Have you retired? Have you changed jobs? Have you received an inheritance? Or maybe it's no, nothing's changed and impacted you whatsoever. But then also, we want to take your temperature. We know there's a lot of volatility. The market's hit some new highs this year, but there's a lot of volatility with the headlines, especially with the presidential election. And we want to make sure that your investments are appropriate based on your financial plan, your goals and objectives, but also appropriate based on your comfort level. So please take 2 minutes, go through these few questions so that we here at Steward Wealth Strategies can review, and then we will reach out to you if it's warranted and we think a change needs to be made or a discussion needs to be had that's in your best interest. So why do we host these workshops, webinars, newsletters, these educational tidbits? Because we believe that knowledge is power. Our best client is an educated client. And really, when it comes to matter of health and matter of wealth, don't we all want to make good, wise, educated decisions? Of course we do. And that's why we provide this information so that we can share with you a client of Steward Wealth Strategies. We want to make sure that you have information so that you can act in your best interests. We want you and your family to do well financially. So we want to make sure that we keep you well informed. Now, here's the thing. Today we're talking about taxes because there are more areas to financial planning than just investments. Investment planning is a part of financial planning, but so is protection planning, so is retirement planning, so is estate planning and generosity, and then also tax planning. These are the 6 key areas of financial planning. Now, later this year, we will talk more in depth about year-end tax planning. Today is just a quick update, but we will get more involved or more in depth with you when it comes to year-end tax planning. And if you are one of our wealth management clients where we do full financial planning for, please remember, we do need a copy of your 2023 tax return. Do we have this? If not, please upload it, upload a PDF copy to your vault in Right Capital. If you need help or have questions or are not sure what I'm talking about, please reach out to our wealth management team, our client service team, and we'll be glad to help you do this. Or if you have questions just about financial planning as a whole, or maybe you're not familiar with it, definitely reach out to us so we can have a conversation. So what's new, or what should we be expecting? Here's the biggie. And you're going to see a lot about this over the next couple months leading up to the election, but in 2025, or at the end of 2025, there will be a tax sunset. Some of our tax laws will expire at the end of 2025. So 2025 will be an interesting year for tax planning because we know some of the rules that we're operating within right now will be going away. Some things you have to keep in mind are wealth transfer and the estate tax law. For folks with high net worth, maybe it's from business ownership, real estate, investments, whatever it may be, just know there's going to be a significant projected cut to the estate tax exemption. So be proactive. If this is a concern for you, let's start having these conversations now and not wait till the end of 2025. If you need to talk to your estate planning attorney, please reach out to them now. Start having conversations today and not wait until it's too late. Tax brackets to keep in mind for 2024. We're a little over halfway through the year. You probably have a good idea of where your income is going to land this year. Please look at this chart. These 7 brackets are the current brackets right now for marginal tax rates for single filers and married filing jointly. If you need additional information, please let us know. We can share a tax guide with you. But look to see what top marginal tax bracket you think you may fall in this year. This is really good to know when it comes to planning for potential Roth conversions between now and the end of the year, or if you're retired trying to decide what bucket to withdraw from, or if you have investments or money in savings and you're earning high interest rates or capital gains or whatever it may be. This is really helpful information so that we can help you make wise decisions between now and the end of the year. So here's the thing to keep in mind. You're going to hear a lot about this, and we are going to keep you up to date as well, because we're going to talk about it a lot also. Tax laws are set to change starting January of 2026. Proactive tax planning is better than reactive tax planning. In fact, a lot of you have heard us say proactive tax planning is better than reactive tax paying. You know, there's only so much time each calendar and tax year that you can take advantage of certain limitations that are driven annually. So 2024, it's hard to say this. I don't know what date you'll be watching this, but as of the time of this recording, we're almost 7 months through with 2024. So take advantage of the time left between now and the end of the year. And we will be following up later in this year with more year-end tax planning conversations. But also, if you're a financial planning client, please upload your 2023 tax return so that we can start the analysis now, so that when we get into the fall, we've got plenty of time to review, and also we can be prepared as well. We're here for you if you have any concerns or any questions. And Warren Buffett's partner, Charlie Munger, has a great saying: go to bed smarter than when you woke up. If we can help you with the 6 key areas of financial planning, and we can help educate you periodically so that you can be more knowledgeable and make better decisions and be a better steward, then we feel like we have done a good job. It is an honor to serve you, and we're grateful for all the client relationships that we have. Many of you continue to send friends and family our way. We're thrilled to be able to help you. Please, if we can be of assistance, reach out to us, let us know, complete the questionnaire that, again, was attached in this link. No, we will talk more about taxes between now and the end of the year, and we're going to continue talking about the sunset, but we just wanted to take a couple minutes to let you know that we are here and that you will hear more information from us. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and God bless you, and thank you so much. Take care.